Who am I? So I got this, which is, this meal will take approximately 10 hours. I'm just loving my niqab, mashallah. Yes. Assalamu alaikum, friends. It is Saturday morning. And I just, I didn't just wake up. I've been up for at least an hour, but ooh, my eyes look swollen. But I haven't had my coffee yet. So first of all, alhamdulillah, it is so quiet. For some reason, my kids finally slept in this morning for the first time. It feels like all summer. They have been up so early lately, and so it is so nice to get this moment in the morning to myself. Sounds like somebody might be getting up though. Anyways, Saturday morning, I wasn't in the mood to come down here, grind my coffee. I make my coffee like fresh, like I grind it. And I just did not feel like it, so I ordered myself coffee this morning, and I ordered from a place I've had before, but I can't remember when. I know it was just when we had just moved up here, because I've only seen this place up here, up north. But yeah, I know one of my YouTube sissies, my YouTube homies, Just Faye, she loves this place, and lately, I don't know why, girl, I have had a taste for matcha. Like, I think I told y'all in my last video, I had a taste for matcha. This morning, imagine me not wanting my coffee. Who am I? Who am I? Because I wanted matcha, and I was thinking to myself, at first I was like, let me just make myself some tea. I love mint ginger tea. Like, I like tea with lots of spices. And then I was just like going on my phone, and I was like, actually, I want some matcha. And so I got two leisure. Okay, let me show you what I got. So, two leisure. I got it says, what is it? Honey lavender matcha latte. I got a spinach feta Danish because I freaking love them. And then I got a sweet cheese and blueberry Danish because I had a deal that I wanted to reach the amount. So when I drink something sweet, I like to eat something salty, and vice versa. If I drink something that's bitter, I want something sweet. So I was assuming that this would be sweet. That's why I got my feta thing. But anyways, how cute. I wish, like, honestly, the picture was one of the reasons why I got it. So let me see if anything looks different in the inside. Ooh, whoa. I don't think I've had matcha the screen. But it smells amazing, actually. It smells really good. And I realized I said I wanted tea, but this is a matcha latte, and I got an extra shot in it. So I guess I am still me. All right, let me eat. Someone's coming. No, that's Starbucks. So don't ask. Dang, you look rough, kid. Wipe your face. You smell weird. Staring at my pastries. I don't feel safe whenever you stare at my stuff. Bismillah.
Ew. Oh, no, that was it. Phil.
It's time to eat. Yeah. Yummy, yummy, gonna eat. Yeah. She was a fairy.
You know you're recording, right?
Get out of here. You're not a part of this anymore. Oh, Salaam. So I am back. I got a delivery and I wanted to share it with you guys. So yesterday I ordered some stuff off Amazon, and mostly I ordered, well, let me just show you first. My son has been begging me for last year's NBA 2K. So I got him with Jason Tatum on it. He's so excited. He's so excited. Hold on, let me regulate the situation real quick. One who made the mess with the Frosted Flakes. If that is true.
Someone.
Papa, do you know who did that? Was it Hafsa?
No, I didn't really see it.
You didn't do that, Ali?
I had frosted flakes, but I put the box away.
This is the kind of stuff that really gets on my nerves. Let's keep moving. Let me go sit over here because it's messy over here. I hope this is a little bit of a better angle. It's probably not that great. Let me see. So I got this, which is the Ulanzi MagSafe 2-in-1 selfie stick. I needed a new tripod. Tripods, like, I'm learning as a content creator, girl, just buy another one. Just buy it. Like, if you think you might need it, just buy it. Because you really can't have enough, and you really can't have enough that does different things, especially if you have one single type of camera you're using. I use my phone for everything, so for me to have different ones that have the ability to do different things is really great. So I read excellent reviews for that one. So looking forward to giving that a go. I especially needed something so that I can start filming like lives and stuff like that. Then this is, I needed a sleeping cap. So you guys, y'all are probably so tired of me complaining about my locks. Alhamdulillah. It's not truly a complaint in the sense that I'm mad about it. It's just like I'm not used to it yet. Like how long they've gotten in the last like year and a half. Papa, can I have a knife or something so I can cut this? Like, yeah, so just learning how to do certain things, and I've been really working on let me have a fork then. I've been really working on trying to retain moisture in my locks and stuff like that, so I'm really hoping that this will help. Thank you. Bismillah. Bag inside of the bag, perplexing. So it's just a long sleep cap. And hopefully this will provide, like, you know, it's definitely big enough for my locks. I see a little button down here. Oh, maybe that's for, like, I can wrap it up. Yeah. Niqabs came. I wasn't expecting it to come with this order. But I got 2 niqabs and I got this one. So let me try it on for you guys and I'll be back. All right, what do you guys think? Alhamdulillah, I love the color. I wanted something a little less intimidating. It's black. You know, everyone always says the black makes you look like a ninja and everything, but the black is that girl. Like, black is the one that if you are like, if you're in doubt, black, no doubt. Like, just go with black. But for me, because I know I'm a color girl, I like variety. Like this right here, now I see how it looks together. This is what I prefer with this scarf. Like, I can already tell because I like something that's just like a little bit softer. This is highly breathable, so I don't think this would be considered a no pinch though, because it definitely, because it comes together at the end, you're restricted, and so I get that. But the breathability of this, wow, compared to the Saudi one that I always wear, which I love the look of that one because of the hard headband. It reminds me of like a Nigerian cap or something like that. But this one is just, I could literally wear this all day. I really think I could. totally forget that I have it on. Alhamdulillah. All right, you guys. So, and yes, I'm keeping this on. So I have the desire for some seriously home cooked, down home American, like what I was raised on type of food. I had a taste for some beans, some collard greens, some cornbread. So that is exactly what I'm gonna make today. I DoorDashed what I needed, I believe what I needed, and so we're gonna go from there. Hopefully I got everything, and I will turn y'all back on once it all gets here. Make sure my kids clean that kitchen before I get in there though, inshallah. Let me show you guys my outfit. Hey Pook Pook. Hey Pook Pook. She is so unbothered by the world. Anyways. What a weirdo. Ooh, she just runs. Okay. So this is the whole outfit for today. This is an East Essence abaya. It is very much still, I was gonna say, it's still alive. It's still online. Is she meowing? See, that's what I don't understand about her. It's like, who told you to leave? Who was even being mean to you? She just be tripping for no. No, I'm playing. Okay, so yeah. This is so cute. I love the long ones. I knew that I would, mashallah. I love the long one. It's just easier to deal with. I'm not concerned about it coming out on the side or anything like that. But I definitely noticed the difference in like the eye area. But I still like it. It's really not that big of a deal. Alrighty. See you around town. Cool. It's got some weight to it. Push.
I'm breaking now.
Honestly, you know how I am.
Really?
I don't see anything. That's the thing.
It's not.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can turn this.
All right, so this meal will take approximately 10 hours. That's right. I said 10 hours. Now y'all know how home cooked like soul food is. It's a whole day thing. And I really have a taste for this, and I have a taste for it in the crock pot. Like it has to be like that whole, what you waiting for? Yeah, so I'm making 15 bean soup with collard greens, turkey, what is it? What was that? Turkey tails, right?
Yeah.
Turkey tails. I tried to get neck bones and legs, but
So poop, and a bit more poop.
my kids know nothing about this. Listen, it's so, anyways. So yeah, 15 bean soup with collard greens, and I'm gonna make rice for the people who aren't cornbread people, and for your girl, it's gonna be cornbread. I also got vinegar, distilled vinegar. Girl, stop! I got these for my son's friends who had asked me to get them something, and I told them that I would. believers,
They don't deserve
if
it.
you make a promise, no matter how big or small, you must keep it, especially to a child.
They don't
Don't
deserve
tell
it.
children. Sure, they don't deserve it, but still.
They're rude, stuck up, annoying. They make fun of everything. They curse all the time.
Hafsa, you should
They
not.
make inappropriate comments about women's bodies. And
Hafsa. Anyways, moving on.
See, notice how they're all men.
So, these are for them, but I guess I can share one. I didn't realize there would be multiple in, and I don't want to just like bombard them with candy, so I'm gonna give this one to my children, whichever one she already opened. Will you? First of all, I'm gonna need you to lower your tone.
Okay. I didn't open
I
it.
will call Papa, and he will make this whole situation worse.
Big head, big head, big head.
Speak of the shayateen, and they might sneak up on
And
you.
he's gone.
Stealthy.
Can I help? Only for like 10 minutes. I have a
Yes.
busy schedule.
15 bean soup, turkey tails, collard greens, and my favorite cornbread, Krusty's sweet corn. So my favorite growing up was Jiffy. That's what we ate. I still love Jiffy, but in my house we eat this one because it's truly, truly my favorite. One of the most essential things to any soup, the mirepoix. Celery, carrot, onion, diced. I don't have a dicer just yet, so I wanted to just go ahead and get it diced. It's like $3.99, I think, or $2.99, something like that. That is it. I'm gonna wash it all, every bit of it, even the turkey tails. And then I'm gonna throw, and then I'm gonna throw it all into my crock pot. And then that's all she wrote. So let's get her done. This kitchen is an absolute mess. Oh. That's for you and Aiden. So if you don't save some for Aiden, don't come to me saying, like, don't have him coming to me, okay? Because I'm going to straight up tell him Papa ate it.
realize you're there, seeing what they're doing.
It's alright, kiddo. Like a soup to go with beans. That you can eat with
What?
Alright, that is done. Now, what time is it? It's almost time for Zuhur, so I don't want to start cleaning because when I get in the zone, you know, the time will pass. Bismillah. Yeah, so first of all, working downstairs in this kitchen, and I was warm and I turned on the air, but still working down in this kitchen with this niqab on. This is so light, so light. MashaAllah, I love it. So I got this off Amazon. I'll try and link it if I remember. Y'all know I be forgetting stuff. Yes, girl. So I got my dinner. Ooh, I need to make space in my phone. It's telling me I'm about to run out in about 11 minutes. I haven't deleted all my old videos yet. All right, let me go upstairs and chill for a few minutes, pray, and then maybe we'll have a clean with me. I don't know. Girl, I might start watching a movie. I might start reading a book. What I definitely know is that either I or these kids will clean this kitchen, inshallah. So, whatever. I'm just loving my niqab, mashallah. Yeah, I came back over here and I realized I hadn't put the carrot, onion, and celery in. So, went ahead and did that. Now, I'm gonna head upstairs because my phone just called for prayer. Your food.
What'd you say? Out of all people to eat with, I wasn't eating with him. He left his eggs on the ground.
First of all, Papa cooks great, Hafsa. Why are you hating so hard?
It's okay. Yeah, that's all we drink it all.
Y'all ain't got no fruit punch?
Yeah, we had some in the fridge.
No, girlfriend, that was Daddy.
Yeah, Dad really needs sugar. But he'll just like juice, I don't know.
No. Already.
Papa! Can you give me a flavor?
This better be.
You're still drinking any.
Can you go get my slapple?
Can I still drink?
Yeah, I was just coming out here to check on the soup, and it looks so dark. Looks like it's probably about to rain. But it looked like it might be nice outside, so I take a walk. Like, it's the stairs, I'm not gonna lie. But it's cool that my face is covered. Go see what my son is up to. Well, hold on, let's check on the soup first. It smells so good, mashallah. It reminds me so much of my grandmama's house. I miss her so, so very much. Huh. Good. Bismillah. People say like something like collard greens and 15 bean soup. If you start craving it, your body's probably missing nutrients. I think that's my son. Come on in. Is it raining? Oh no, not yet. Alright, you guys, I've been outside for about 15-20 minutes. It feels so good out here. I love this niqab. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. But I'm gonna go inside. I'm still not comfortable with leaving like my actual house or street without my husband. So if he's willing to go for a walk with me later, which he said he would, then I'll come back out. But if not, I'm headed in because all eyes on me.
What you say?
Did they close that door?
The front door?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think they are now. Yes. Maybe Monday, can be tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be back. Whenever I come back to Ohio, in a few days, I'll come to first. Thank you. Yeah, no, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. It can be tomorrow. I'll call on Monday.
Basically, it's like a soup.
Is it chicken bean soup?
But they're in there.
No, I don't watch it. I don't.
Y'all, hubby said he's gonna fire up the grill because he's apprehensive to try my 15 bean soup. Can you imagine? All these people be wanting me to try new recipes, and as soon as I try something new. No trying new things while there's explosive diarrhea going around. It's not turkey legs, it's turkey tails. Looks like an oxtail to me. But anyways, you put it.
But how did they make it? It smells so good. The last time
It's not a taste. You know, sometimes I have a taste for like my old school.
if you had money,
Kind of like you with
the
Don't
recipe
Market.
every 3 days.
Yeah, something like that.
You.
I actually.
my
You
dad.
are. What's the issue?
The issue is I don't know how to make it.
Oh, and me. That's why.
But somebody.
Why not?
You don't put cameras in the bedroom. The kitchen, like in Nigeria, they put it in the hallway.
You have to understand that it takes for them to come through from that.
I told them specifically, do not microwave any of these.
Zachary likes to fight. He gets in trouble a lot at school for that. It's nice that you're his friend. That's nice. Guys, it's around 7 something. What does that say? Just around 7, and we're still grilling and chilling. And Hafsa's making smoothies. The moment I get something, they always just use it all up.
Hey!
It is so annoying.
Hey! What was that? This. Look.
It actually looks pretty good. Hubby's outside and he's gonna do his steak and my last 3 hot dogs, and I'll probably just have that for dinner because, oh, what am I saying? I'm already making this, but I might use that meat. I might use my hot dog meat though. But can y'all believe my kids drank all of the milk? And so, but my husband has Nido, which is a powdered milk. So I'm pretty sure I can just use that, inshallah. Because I do not want this without cornbread. Like, I don't like it with rice. I want it with cornbread. Any, like food that I grew up on, like soup style, like chicken noodle soup, chili, collards, stuff like that, I eat it with cornbread. That is my preferred method. All right, y'all. The meat not done?
Cornbread. You want your hot dogs now? Have some. Wanna cover it? Maya, can you wrap it in aluminum foil for me?
Yeah. Who knows what she's down there doing? Definitely hunting. She's a huntress. She's like a baby lioness. She loves to be outside.
Is inside?
No, sadly, she's not. I cannot show y'all myself because I am in my pajamas and my bonnet, but look at the time. And I'm about to make my husband's plate. The food has been done. Assalamu alaikum, friends. It is Sunday morning, or no, Sunday afternoon, and I've been up for hours, watched a couple of scary movies. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Girl, my son's friends are forever popping up at this house at all hours of the day, trying to come inside, not even to play outside. They want to go downstairs and play the PlayStation. Anyways, oh, I think there's a fly. Anyways, there's so many things that I want to clean around the house. So, okay, wait, first, good news. The car is fixed, alhamdulillah, so we're supposed to go and get it tomorrow. Excited about that. That's pretty much the exciting news. I am just like the reason why I haven't even gotten on today is because I've been in a very blah, chill mode. So what I want to do is have another cup of coffee and then like put on my headphones. There are some surahs in the Quran that I would like to listen to just daily, and so I think I'm just gonna like put on the Quran and listen to that, and inshallah maybe do some cleaning or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. I got up, I showered, got dressed, which is good for these days, because these days, like when I don't feel like doing anything, a shower and stuff is the last thing I'll do. But it's like I'm trying to motivate myself to do something, but it's not there. Salaam, friends. So, I don't know if y'all can hear me. Salaam, friends. I know my daughter's about to come down. I have a new package. I wanted to show y'all. It is the second niqab I got. So let me switch it and show you what it looks like. All right, y'all. How is it? What do you think? It's crazy because let me show you what I'm wearing. It matches. Like, isn't that crazy? Like the orange. So yeah, I love it. So now I have some really nice neutral tones. I have this, which is really more, it's like a peachy brown, and then the other brown that I have is more a neutral brown. So then I'll probably look for like navy and beige. I don't want something like yellow. I don't know why. I feel like
It's not yellow.
there's nothing wrong with yellow, but I just feel like yellow would be like so jarring, you know? But I definitely want like a burgundy, not red, but like burgundy. I feel like red is also very jarring, so.
Would you say which color?
Red.
Red?
Red and yellow. Like
Red
not.
is a very popular color. It attracts attention. This is why, as someone and as modest as myself, I'm not a fan of red in terms of clothes.
But I
and
would wear
makeup.
like burgundy.
Huh?
Like
Oh, you mean something like this?
Like I would wear burgundy, but not like this. Like I'm not gonna do like like this sort of red, but like
Maybe you
this.
should consider blood red.
I love blood red, but I don't know if I would wear blood red as a niqab though. And also, I realized that I prefer the full niqab to the half niqab. I realized
What's that?
So the half niqabs are the ones that just cover your nose and below. And then the full is everything, like your forehead, your eyebrows, everything.
Oh, I definitely want something like that.
Yeah, I noticed that I just prefer the look, number one, and number two, it's like, if you're gonna do it, just do it. Like, like why are you doing half? Just do it, you know? But that's just my perspective. Half looks beautiful on so many people, and I feel like for me, maybe if I were like maybe going to the beach or something and I was wearing a hat, then I might consider it. I don't know, but I just feel so much more comfortable in the longer ones and in the ones that are just like the full face covering. All right, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I will come back later and do whatever. Salam, friends. So it is 5 minutes to 5. And I'm thinking of starting dinner. I think tonight I'm just gonna make classic stew and let everybody have like whatever addition they want with it. Like I like sweet potatoes, hubby likes parboiled rice or spaghetti, and my sons like rice. So my girls will however they feel. So yeah, I wore my short niqab because I'm gonna be in the kitchen. Excuse me. And I just kicked my son's friends out because they were all getting on my nerves. And I'm feeling like I'm gonna just lock in down here and tune out the world. And yeah, just cook. So I will record some of it. So it is after 7 and I am like, I've taken everything off. I'm just wearing my abaya. I mean my jilbab around the house and my very, very comfortable brown niqab whenever I'm filming. And I was about to start like finishing my cooking, but my knee is just driving me crazy. So I took my medicine and I've already got my chicken baking. Excuse me. So I don't know, I guess that will just be that for tonight because I can't see myself trying to stand up in the kitchen any longer. Last night when I cooked, you know, it was like very, very late. You guys know when I finished. But that's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that I had been like pushing through the pain because if I want to complete a task, I can't take my pain meds and complete that task. So the entire day, because I wanted to make this food and to remain, you know, awake and alert, I took very little medicine. Like I took it, but I took very little. But I was in a great deal of pain last night, and so I really pushed through it. So then this morning I thought I felt fine, but like midday my knee started throbbing. Took my meds. I've been feeling okay enough. Like I've been down in the kitchen, putting some dishes away and stuff like that, but for the most part, I know I need to stay off of it. So I'm thinking maybe I'll try and just do some work upstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this chicken off in the oven, and my kids can just have the chicken with whatever they want to make. They can make, excuse me, it's so funny. I yawn and I said excuse me as if y'all can see, and I cover my mouth but y'all can't see. Alhamdulillah. But anyways, yeah, so I don't know. And my husband went out for a walk and, you know, I didn't feel like going, so I didn't say anything when he left. I thought he was about to be on the phone with his dad or something. But I thought he was just going to be up and down the street. I went outside. He was not there. So, girl, let's just clean something upstairs because it ain't for me to be downstairs on the hard floor this evening. It ain't for me.
You know what Allah ordered us to do? Do not use purity to yourself. Since I knew you when you were in your mother's wombs, right? But before he said that, he said he put us in our mother's wombs. Now the question I have is, you know, like children like Adam, right?
But he said, honestly.
Outside. Not coming. Close the blinds, do not refuse.
Friends. Good afternoon. It is, what is it? It is Monday and I've been up. I've been up for hours. I just turned on the camera because I could not find any of the niqabs that I was looking for. So I just came back to my little shorty and it's fine for now. I'm in the midst of cleaning up and I was like, girl, why don't you just pick up the camera and, show them. So I'm actually in the middle of my lunch break. And I ordered just a matcha. Guys, I don't know. I didn't have my coffee today. I had my Starbucks. I had my cortado. I think that's what it is. And I still want a matcha. I still want a matcha. So I think I really like them. And if you know me, you know that I love to try new things, like new places, new restaurants all the time. So, but I don't know, where did I order this from? This place is called Shah Redefine. It's in Columbus. And I got a blueberry oat milk matcha latte. That's what it looks like. So green. I thought it was like the cup. A boba straw. Figured it out. This one. Well, that was an ordeal. So this is the color of the matcha. Yes, this is so good. Alhamdulillah. All right.